Here's a quick, fun fall tree for all ages. First, draw a tree on a piece of mixed media paper. Then you're going to draw over all those lines with black glue. That's just black acrylic paint mixed with some school glue. You're going to let that dry overnight. Once your glue is dry, you're ready to apply your watercolors. Wet your paper, and then dab or dot your fall tree colors. I love orange, yellow, reds, and a little green. Now for the fun part. Sprinkle your wet watercolor with salt. You're going to love the effect salt creates with your watercolor, especially with fall trees. Now paint the rest of your drawing and add a little more salt if you want to. God gave us amazing color to enjoy during the fall season, and I, for one, love the fall. Now grab you some black glue, watercolors, and start creating some art. And most importantly, forget not the Lord.